My life has been changed. Ranking them, I'm gonna do the tres leches cake as number 1. Wasn't expecting to like the peanut butter pie that much, but this one was amazing. Number 2, Kit Kat at number 3. It's so buttery. Iced oatmeal at number 4. Brownie cake batter at number 5. I love the little brownie bites on top. Key lime pie at number 6. Whipped cream on top was very salty and it didn't really taste like lime.
Coco's leftovers, the tres leches. I think they snuck a 4th leche in there. 6.7 out of 10. Key lime cookie. It doesn't taste like lime. 5.4. I got the peanut butter pie. It kind of tastes like a Nutty Buddy. 7.2 out of 10. I don't even know what this one's called. It's not too sweet. 6.7. Chocolate cake. Dense and fudgy. 9.9 out of 10. Got the Kit Kat cookie. This one's super basic. Nothing special. 4.7 out of 10. Double chunk chocolate cookie. 10 out of 10.
Trying this week's crumble cookies. First up, we have the tres leches cake, chocolate peanut butter pie, key lime pie, chocolate cake batter, Kit Kat wafer, and iced oatmeal. Have a bite. This one is always so good. This is so spongy. 9 out of 10. This one is good. The base is a cookies and cream flavor and the top is peanut butter. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. I love the frosting on this one. 9 out of 10. This is definitely my favorite. 10 out of 10. Eight out of 10. The Kit Kat cookie is definitely the winner of the week.
CRUMBL cookies of the week. We have here is a chocolate. Super chocolatey and fudgy. Good flavor. 7.5 out of 10. So we have here is a key lime pie. Sour. Kind of like a flavor, but not too bad. 6.5 out of 10. The Kit Kat. It's not raw in the middle, surprisingly. 7.5 out of 10. Iced oatmeal. Six out of 10. Excited to try this one. Peanut butter chocolate pie. Say, not bad. It's like a chocolate pie crust. Lots of flavor going on. This is pretty good, but very sweet. So I give this a 8.5 out of 10. Tres leches. Say, She is not wet enough. Kind of dry. 6 out of 10.
CRUMBL cookies of the week. Oatmeal. Look at the glaze. Cinnamon cookie with vanilla glaze. I like that it's not too sweet. Good breakfast. 8.9 out of 10. Chocolate peanut butter pie. can't tell if I like it or not. Cookies and cream crust with peanut butter filling, chocolate cake batter, wafer featuring Kit Kat, classic cookie filled with Kit Kats and more Kit Kat and chocolate on top. Key lime pie, but there's no lime, so it's key pie. Graham crust with lime fillings, but I really want my lime. 7.6 out of 10. Saving the... This thing is moist. Out of 10 immediately.
Let's eat crumble cookie. I've not been here in a while. Like a peanut butter cup pie. I like peanut butter cups, and I like pie. Get out of here. That chocolate crust on the bottom is insane. I don't have a lot to complain about, to be honest with you. Next up, we have the tres leches cake. Don't make fun of my pronunciations in the comments. See, she's not looking super moist. Honestly, I feel like this doesn't have a lot of flavor. It's a mid out of 10. We got their Kit Kat one. So much chocolate. Hashtag not sponsored. Key lime pie. That one's a little too zesty for me. Iced oatmeal. It's a really good oatmeal cookie. I think this one's like a chocolate cupcake. There is at least 9,000 grams of sugar in this. This is the sweetest cookie I've ever had. It's high. It's high. Overall, I would say the peanut butter pie is my favorite.
Crumble in the car today. First up, we have chocolate peanut butter pie. Creamy, plenty of peanut butter flavor, chocolate base. Just because I'm not the biggest fan of pie, I'm gonna give this a 9. Next, we have the key lime pie cookie. Let's see if this little lime has juice. Come on. Nope. I love the graham cracker cookie, and this has plenty of key lime flavor. This gets a 9. Now we have the tres leches cake. I just know this is going to be a 10. It always is. I spoke too soon. It's not wet enough at all. It's still really good, but it's not as wet as I like it. I'm going to have to give it a 9, but it's still good. Up next, we have chocolate cake batter. Crumble always has the proper amount of cocoa powder in their chocolate cookies. It's always such a rich, deep chocolate flavor. 10 out of 10. This is iced oatmeal. I love oatmeal cookies, but I don't like oatmeal.
That makes no sense.
I don't know. This is a really good oatmeal cookie. Hints of cinnamon in there? Yes. 9. Girl, are you alright? And last up, we have wafer featuring Kit Kat. Oh wow, this is better than I thought it would be. I think it has Kit Kats like baked throughout the cookie as well, which gives it texture. This gets a 10. The Kit Kat cookie was really good, but the chocolate cake batter one just stole my heart with all that delicious chocolate rich fudgy amazingness. Okay, bye.
We got the pink box. You know what that means.
is this I love you right there. So
Good? Like a Cosmo cookie? Wait,
cosmic.
Cosmic.
Pretty good. Oh.
Chocolate just always hit.
Oh. Look how moist. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Chocolate, I think. Yummy.
Crumble cookies of the week. We're going to start things off with their classic semi-sweet cookie. I feel like it's common knowledge the semi-sweet cookie is consistently good. 8.7 out of 10. Next we have their iced oatmeal cookie. I really like that combination of oats and icing. 8.5 out of 10. Next we have their key lime cookie. The base of that cookie seems to be a pie crust mixed with a cookie with vanilla icing. You only really get the lime flavor from the limes. 7 out of 10. Next we have their Kit Kat cookie. Take a Kit Kat, take a cookie, minus the wafer, put them together, and you'll get that cookie. 8 out of 10. Next we have their chocolate cake batter cookie. The chocolate they use tastes just like a chocolate cake. And the chocolate icing tastes like the kind you'd use on a cupcake. 7.5 out of 10. Next we have their Tres Leches cake. You guys already know the Tres Leches is good. 9 out of 10. And finally we have their chocolate peanut butter pie. Look at the layers on that. The The peanut butter they use in that filling tastes just like Reese's Pieces, and the chocolate pie crust mixes very well with the Reese's Pieces bits. 9 out of 10. This week is pretty solid, but y'all already know I'm gonna go for the tres leches.
Trying this week's crumble tres leches cake. This is some of the best tres leches that I've ever had. It is so soft and it's not too sweet at all. This might be better than the freaking Spanish stores. Chocolate peanut butter pie. This is so good too. Like, it's super peanut buttery, but it's not like a peanut butter freaking kick in the face. And they put a lot of Reese's peanut butter cups. Chocolate cake batter. I will always act up for a freaking chocolate cookie. The frosting on this one is so freaking good. Iced oatmeal. This one tastes a lot like those little oatmeal pies from Little Debbie. This is actually a really good oatmeal cookie. For science, I have to take another bite of this one.